Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shashank Shetty. So आज का वीडियो है कंपैरिजन ऑफ थ्री डिफरेंट सर्वाइवल नाइफ्स. तो मेरे पास तीन नाइफ्स हैं जो सर्वाइवल नाइफ्स है बेसिकली. द फर्स्ट वन इज द जर्बर अल्टीमेट सर्वाइवल प्रो. इट्स अ बेयर ग्रिल्स कलेक्शन. सेकेंड वन इज जो मैंने बनाया था DIY सर्वाइवल नाइफ. अगर इसका वीडियो देखना है तो देखिए मेरे चैनल में है. आई पुट अ लिंक बिलो. एंड द थर्ड वन इज अ मोरा कंपेनियन नाइफ. सो दीज आर द थ्री डिफरेंट नाइफ्स और इसका हम एक कंपैरिजन वीडियो बनाएंगे और देखते हैं कि विच इज़ द बेटर नाइफ. So without further delay, let's get into this. So the first knife is the Gerber Ultimate Survival Pro. So ये Bear Grylls collection का है. Before getting into the comparison, let me give you basic details about the knife. So the knife, the total weight of the knife along with the sheath is around 320 grams. The blade length is around 12 centimeters and the total length is 25 centimeters. The blade width is 3 centimeters और इसका जो thickness is around 0.5 centimeters, that's 5 mm. ये serrated edges नहीं है. I don't like serrated edges. This is the plain edge and this is a knife which comes with a sheath. अभी sheath की खासियत है, इसमें एक fire starter है. this is the fire starter. You see, there's a fire starter. lanyard में एक whistle है and there's a sharpener over here. You see, there's a sharpener over here where you can sharpen the knife. So these are the different things and of course it's a belt loop which is a vertical belt loop. So ये आता है इसमें. Moving on to the second one is the DIY survival knife which I made. So this is a basic knife. So जो मैं आपने, if you can see the video, again this is made from a rasp. जो फाइल होता है हमारा rasp में बना हुआ है और एक wooden इसमें hilt दिया हुआ है. That's the only thing. इसमें और कुछ भी नहीं है. Lanyard is a jute lanyard which I have put in along with the sheath. So इसका weight is around 270 centimeters and the length of the blade is 10.5. The total length is 21.5 centimeters. इसका जो blade का width है is around 2.8 centimeters and the thickness is exactly same as the Bear Grylls. It's 5 mm, 0.5 centimeters. So ये है total weight, total details about the Survival Pro, the survival knife. And the last one is the Mora. This is called the Mora Companion. So Mora Companion, it's a little different from the remaining two. The total weight of the knife and the sheath is 120 grams. इसका जो blade height है is 10 centimeters and the total height is around 22 centimeters. The blade width is 2 centimeters. Sorry, the blade width is 2 centimeters. The only problem is, look at the thickness. The thickness is 2 mm. 5 mm का ये है और 2 mm का ये है. That's the only difference between the blade. And that's the details about it. I'll also give you the rundown of the cost. ये मैंने जब लिया था around 6 साल हो गए. 6 साल पहले मैंने ये लिया था. This was around 9,000 rupees. यहाँ से नहीं लिया था मैंने. यहाँ पे I think available भी नहीं है. Mora, I bought it last year. It's available on Amazon. It's around 1,200 rupees. This is the Mora. This is a very basic entry survival knife. एकदम basic level का है, entry level survival knife. And this one costed me 200 rupees or so. 200-300 रुपए लगे मुझे बनाने में, लेकिन बहुत मेहनत लगा है. Again, check the video for that. So these are the three different knives. और इसका जो हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे अलग अलग लेवल्स पे करेंगे. इसका शार्पनेस पे, एज रिटेंशन पे करेंगे हम, इस पे बेटनिंग पे करेंगे, हैमरिंग में करेंगे और सब अलग अलग फीचर्स हैं उसमें. देखेंगे कौन सा कहाँ पे खड़ा उतरता है. सो ऑल दीज 3 knives आर नॉट न्यू. आई हैव यूज्ड देम एंड बट आई एंश्योर दैट ऑल माय knives आर वेरी शार्प. सो आई हैव केप्ट देम रिलेटिवली शार्प. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज आफ्टर दे अंडरगो द सेम प्रोसेस. सो बता दूं कि द जर्बर इज अ फुल टैंक नाइफ. फुल टैंक का मतलब होता है कि स्टार्ट से एंड तक इसका सेम स्टील जाता है. It's a full tank knife with a hammer in it. So that's a additional quality of the Gerber. It has a hammer in it. तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ अभी इसका यूज़ क्या करेंगे हैमर का. So हमको कोई चीज़ तोड़ना है जो हमको ब्लेड से नहीं काटना है लेकिन कुछ वजन चाहिए. So we can actually do hammering with this. So this one. So we can actually do this only with the Gerber. This one. Now Even the second one, the knife which I made, even that is a full-time knife, but it doesn't have a hammer in it, it doesn't have anything, but I can still do it. I can still do the same thing. Let's go for a smaller one. So that's how it is done. ये second वाला भी full time knife होने के कारण we can actually do hammering with this. Now Mora is a 3/4 tang knife. मतलब इसमें जो steel metal है ये अंदर जाता है 3/4 रहता है. That's the only place where it is. और ये पतला है. So we cannot do hammering in this. This is called a high friction grip. But this is plastic. We cannot do it. But just let's try. We can still do the small one. It's pretty well. But mota wala, no, I will spoil this one. So hands down, this competition is won by Gerber any day. So this is it has a very strong hammer, और ये hammer की वजह से this can very well take care of anything what you want. Even if the blade is not there, you can कुछ तोड़ना है, कुछ करना है, तो this can very well use. So the second challenge is making feathers from the wood. So this is done very well. Now go for the second one. That's done well, but इसमें मुझे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ताकत लगा. So and now let's see what the Mora can do. I still say the second one, second channel also, जो sharpness का बात है, Mora is very close. Mora is definitely higher than the Ultimate Survivor Pro. उसका sharpness very strong and has done a very good job for the feathering also. The next one is baitoning, but before getting into that, I would ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. So this one is called baitoning. Baitoning का मतलब है कि हम कोई भी चीज़ लेंगे, maybe a hammer, maybe a लकड़ी, and we want to cut it out. So we put it in the hammer and we cut baitoning on it. So this is it. So that's the depth. So that's one. We'll go for the second, my DIY knife. That's the second one. Now we'll go to Mora. I'm a little scared of doing the same with Mora because of the thickness of the blade. This is only 2 mm blade, so I'm very scared of baitoning, but let's see what happens. So third one is good. I would give this to this DIY knife because I felt that even though this one was a little weird, I had to put a lot of pressure, but this one actually went in pretty well and the sharpness is there. So yeah, I would give it to this one, very closely followed by the Gerber Ultimate Pro, and third one Mora. Mora is sharp, but my confidence is not there with the Mora knife. मुझे लगता है the moment I hit it hard, it might just snap and break. Before we move on, there's a big shout out to Song, one of the subscribers, and you've asked me to enlist some of my exciting moments in my life. So actually, I've thought of making it a feature in all the videos. So the first one would be this scuba diving, which I did in Maldives. I think a few years back, I went to Maldives and we did scuba diving, and I saw a massive manta ray, the wingspan of around 4 meters, and it was like 3 or 4 meters away from us, and believe me, that moment we sitting down on the seabed and the manta ray swimming above us, it was out of the world. That I have never forgotten that moment. That moment still lives with me after so many years. So Song, thanks to you, and I'll add this feature in every of all my videos. Cheers. So the next one is axing. अगर समझो हमारे पास axe नहीं है, हमको लकड़ी काटना है, हमारे पास बटन भी नहीं है कोई चीज़ मारने के लिए, तो हम सिर्फ नाइफ के भरोसे पे हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो इफ आई टेक अ नाइफ, मैंने इसमें लाइनर लगा दिया है, एंड इफ आई स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, so that's called axing. Next one is the next one is my knife DIY. I have the lanyard, and that done pretty well actually. And the third one, see, this doesn't have weight at all. So this is 120 grams as compared to 270 grams of my DIY and 320 grams of the Bear Grylls. So this is 120 grams. Let's see what it can do. Nah, this is not for axing at all. You can bit on it, but this is not for axing at all. I still give first rank to my knife because it actually did pretty well. It's holding its sharpness, and it's doing pretty well. So I will definitely give the first rank to this one, and very close. This is almost same, but yeah, it's just a little bit better than this one. It is heavy and it goes very well. It does pretty well. But I feel this is more concentrated, and the heaviness is right in this. The angle is perfect, and the weight is very good balance in this one. So the next one is carving. So मैंने हाल ही में एक वीडियो बनाया था जहाँ पे मैंने एक वुडन स्पून बनाया था. इस वीडियो का लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, चेक कीजिए उसे. सो ये स्पून बनाने में मैंने यही 3 नाइफ्स यूज़ किए थे. Intricate carving is something which is very different than robust cutting. So this was a complete no-no. अब देखेंगे कि ये जो मैंने Gerber use किया, I was not able to do the carving from this one. I could not do the intricate carving, so because the blade is a little too long. So Gerber is not a knife for intricate carving. Mora was fantastic with the carving. It was sharp. And just because the knife is small and it could place my hand very well, I could do all the carving, all the insides. जो अंदर के carvings हैं, I could do it very well with the Mora, and the same goes for the survival knife DIY. So इससे भी मैं, because the knife छोटा है, so I could actually hold it very well in my hands, and I could remove the stuff from inside the spoon. So the next one is the quality of the blade. So I've been using a Gerber for like 5-6 years now, और दो इसका कलर गया है, इसका कलर आप देखिए ज़रा वाइट हो गया है इतने यूसेज के बदले में, but still it's never rusted. I've never rusted. I ensure that the blade is sharp, but otherwise I don't take care of the blade as such. So मैं blade हमेशा sharp रखता हूँ, उसको clean रखता हूँ. But otherwise this is as is, and it has served me pretty well. I've taken it to multiple treks and hikes, but it served me very well everywhere. This one I made it last year. I've used it only 3 or 4 times, and it is not rusted. It's not there. Nothing is. If you see, there's nothing has happened to the knife, and it's a robust knife. I may ensure that it's robust knife. Wood is very strong. The hilts and the points are very strong. So this is a robust knife, and it's not failed me anywhere. Mora, I expected a lot from this knife, पर आप देखेंगे मैंने ये लिया था तब से ये यहाँ पे rust हो गया है. It's rusted a few places, and now I've seen that you have to oil the knife. I ensured that I don't oil the knife, I keep it sharp, but you have to keep oiling the knife. So I'm a little disappointed with the Mora knife that it is rusted on me. I'm wondering why. So I give full points to this one because it's been with me for a long time and still never rusted. And second one goes to the DIY knife. Now coming to the conclusion of it. So we have done a lot of categories and we have tested all the knives in different categories. I'll tell you that this is a DIY knife, this is a basic entry level survival knife, and this is the Ultimate Survival Pro, which is a high-end survival knife. So amongst these three, if you ask me, and I'm not being biased when I say that, but in the next few, it all depends on where I'm going though. अगर मुझे short excursion में जाना है, 1 or 2 days जाना है, तो I will definitely take a Mora knife, definitely. अगर मैं ऐसे जगह पे जा रहा हूँ जहाँ पे मेरे साथ लोग हैं, दूसरे हैं, so मेरा वजन कम है, and मेरा वजन कम है, and I'm carrying enough, I'm very comfortable, I might take Ultimate Survival Pro with me. It's really heavy, so I might take it. But if I want to reduce the weight by half a kg, this is my go-to knife. I will, because I was not very confident about this knife till this comparison happened, but I'm extremely confident that I can take this knife and I can actually do a solo trek. I will, the next time I'm going for a solo trek, I'll be taking this knife and I will ensure that this serves me well. I'm pretty confident that this knife will actually do the tricks. Hope you like the video, guys. Please let me know if you need any other videos. Let me know if I can help you in any which ways. You can connect with me on Facebook and Instagram, and let me know if you have any other comments. I answer all your questions and I really look forward to it. So let's catch up and safe trekking, guys. See ya.